This is how to create your own LED sign in your project, like the common household adapter without light sign, or in your RB, your RB battery case, 12-volt battery case, or some of the door of your RV to show that your battery is working. But before you do this, you must you must know which positive in this LED to make sure that you are not going to damage this post, or the leg of this light is supposed to be longer, and this is the negative side of this LED. If you notice that there is cut or flat on the side of this LED through this leg, one of its leg. And then solder about 1 kilo ohm of resistor, and you can synchronize it and you can synchronize this circuit into your project by soldering it in a parallel to your voltage from 3 volt, for example, to 9 volt. This is the lumens of 9 volt supply to the circuit. Remember, this is the negative side of this LED, and this is 1 kilo ohms value of resistors, and this is the positive side of LED, the source of the circuit. And this circuit will work from in this board available volt in this board is from 9 volt, 7.5 volt. Notice the brightness of the LED light. This is 7.5 volts. This is 6 volts. This is 4.5 volts. And this is 3 volts. The brightness is so small, but in 1.5 volts it's not working at all. This LED is available from any store with 3 volt and 0.02 ampere, the rating capacity of this LED. By protecting this exposed conductor, by covering with the shrinkable cover, you can use it as your tester in finding the resistor value is by applying the Ohm's law principles. Or resistance equals to volt divide the current. So finding the value of resistance is equal to power, or the wattage, divide by squared current. This formula is from Ohm's law. Current is equal square root of power divide resistance. So the smallest, by considering the smallest wattage of the resistance available, which is 1/4 watts, and applying into this formula, 1/4 is equivalent to 0.25 watt. Divide 0.02 square is equal to 625 ohms. This is the proper rating to synchronize the resistor into your circuit. But through my experience from 450 ohms to 2 kilo ohms, this LED is still working. But remember the brightness of the LED. But in this value is enough brightness. The more you add resistance to the circuit, the lower the lumens of your LED. Again, the lower the value of your resistance, the more brightness of your LED. But you cannot exceed the minimum value of the resistance because you will damage your LED. If you have any question or need to know about this circuit, or in addition to this application and formula, you can give me a comment on my YouTube. Thank you.